Assalamu alaikum. I am Yamin and Jamali, Assistant Professor of Zoology, Ustad Bukhari Government Degree College, Dhaka. Dear students, the topic that will be discussed today, that is embryophytes. Embryophytes. Embryophytes is a group of plants, that group of the plants that the word actually is taken from two words, embryo and phyton. Embryo is the combination of two Greek words. Embryo is taken from two Greek words, and that meaning n plus brand. Brand meaning full or swollen. In swollen or in full. Embryo is a multicellular structure. That multicellular structure is developed from a single cell, the zygote or the spore. Actually, all the animals and the plants we know, they start from their lives from a single cell. That single cell that is either spore or zygote. The spore in some plants that develops inside the plant body, and hair develops within the plant body, and thus a structure, a full structure or a swollen structure that either develops from spore or develops from the zygote, but it occurs within the parent part or parent organ. That is why this is called in embryo, in brand embryo, and the phyton, that meaning plant, meaning a group of plants in which embryo formation occurs. That group of plants is called embryophyte. Embryophytes, they are classified into two groups. Embryophytes are classified into two groups. They are phanerogams and cryptogams. Cryptogams and phanerogams. Phanerogams. These cryptogams and phanerogams, we know, these are the vascular plants. These are vascular plants in which one is called cryptogams. The word cryptogams is the combination of two Greek words, cryptos, and other one is gamos. Cryptos meaning hidden, and the gamos meaning union or fuel. The cryptogams is a group of plants in which the union of reproductive cells, that meaning the gametes, that is hidden because they have organs which are hidden, or they are not visible, they are invisible. Thus their organs, they are unable to be seen, and within these organs, the reproductive cells, the gametes, they get fused with each other to form the zygote, and zygote naturally will develop to form the embryo, and embryo develops to produce a new plant. Thus, this group, because this group having no well-defined organs in the form of the flowers, thus we simply called cryptogams as non-flowering plants. These are non-flowering plants. Actually, the word cryptogam never meaning non-flowering plants, but the words, they show that there is no visible organ, the flower, thus they are supposed as the non-flowering plants. These cryptogams, the examples of the cryptogams, the cryptogams are classified into 4 groups. They are called Psilocida, Lycosida, Sphenocida, and Aerocida. These are non-flowering plants. These are vascular group of the plants in which embryo formation occurs. Thus, the cryptogams are called, all these plants, they are called the embryophytes. Let us see number 2, phanerogams. Phanerogams, these are the flowering plants. These are flowering plants. Flowering plants. Dear students, but the word phanerogam never meaning flowering plants. The word phanerogams, that is the combination of 2 Greek words. They are phaneros and gamos. Phaneros meaning visible, and gamos meaning union. The union of gametes, that is visible, because this group of the plants, they possess visible structures, visible organs. These visible organs are called flowers. So in flowers, we observe, we can see the reproductive organs, and you see the reproductive cells in which the union of the gametes takes place. Thus, the word phanerogam, visible union of the gametes, they have flowers in which we can observe, we can see the union of reproductive cells, the gametes. Thus, they are the flowering group of the plants. This flowering group of the plants, they are classified into 2. The phanerogams are classified into 2 groups. They are called Gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Gymnosperms is a group of plants. The word gymnosperm is the combination of 2 words, 2 Greek words, gymno and sperma, Gymno meaning net, and sperma mana seeds. Gymnosperms, they have the seeds. These are the flowering group of plants. They have seeds, but they have no fruit. It is because of the absence of ovary wall. And number 2, the angiosperm. The word angiosperm is also the combination of 2 words. Angion and sperma. Angion meaning cup or vessel or fruit, and sperma meaning seeds. This group, the angiosperm, that is also a group of flowering plants. In them, the seeds are found in the fruit, in the vessel, or in a cup. That meaning, angiosperm is a group of the plants in which seeds are enclosed by cup or fruit, because this group of the plants, they have ovary as well as ovules. Let me to draw this diagram. This is supposed as the female reproductive part of the plant. This is called carpel or pistil. This is carpel or the pistil. This is the female reproductive part of a flower, having three parts. The upper tip is called the upper tip, three parts. Stigma. This is long neck, that is called style, and this is ovary. Inside ovary, one or more reproductive cells are found. These reproductive cells are called ovules. The ovules, after fertilization, they develop to form seeds, and you see, ovary, a thin covering that encloses the ovules, that ovary develops to produce fruit. Because of the presence of the ovary and the ovules, the angiosperms, they have fruit and the seed. But in case of the gymnosperms, the ovary is absent and the napped ovules are found. Napped ovules, they are in gymnosperms. The napped ovules are found attached on a stalk. That stalk is called a stigma. On the stigma, the napped ovules are attached on a structure called a stigma. That is, these ovules are not covered over by the ovary. Because of the absence of the ovary, the seeds, they are uncovered or they are napped seeds. It is found in the gymnosperm. And angiosperms, they have ovary as well as ovules. And inshallah we will meet again taking new topic. Thank you very much.